So the silver children are the ones who become. The silver children are the ones who teach them from their own silver children, their own silver family, their own own silver children. From how they become human is their own silver children's names. Their own silver children names are in my notebook.
I don't believe we have reassigned people away from child exploitation.
Okay, let me just say this directly. I find that actually disturbing because last month, Steve Friend, he testified before the weaponization.
And see, that's our communication together right there. And that was our communication together right there. And that was excellent communication from Uni One. And Uni One just verified that. And their own silver children is how they become human. And Uni One just verified that.